Award-winning song Din Niklay Zaroor, produced by Ironline, was screened at the Art Gallery of French Cultural Centre, Alliance Française de Karachi. Speaking on the occasion, Ironline's Samar Raza told that the cast consisted of 100 children hailing from remote villages of Baluchistan. He said that the message was that after a 3-decade-long war that Pakistan fought for the West, its populace now wants peace. Journey of the song, that has received its first accolade from Education Department of West Yorkshire, is expected to terminate at the United Nations in Manhattan.